Hey there, back again. So we're gonna go over Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an AI blogging content writing tool. It's absolutely amazing. All right, so we're not all Hemingways and Faulkners. All right, we can't just write about every topic on any topic. All right, it's just not gonna happen. I use this from time to time if I don't know about something. I just don't know about, everything about real estate. And I get a lot of real estate questions and I have to generate ideas. All right, so um, what are we going to talk about here? About Jasper and blogging with real estate as an example. First off, we're going to go over the Jasper sections. What do we see in the Jasper, the left-hand side here? We have a dashboard which shows how many credits we have. So we're in Jasper, we're basically paying for credits, all right? The Jasper pricing plan, it comes in two versions. The starter mode, which is $29 a month, and the boss mode, which is $59 a month. In the starter, let's see, the starter mode, what happened here? The starter mode plan gives you access to all our templates, blah, 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 blah. 20,000 credits. All right, so you get 20,000 credits in the starter mode. In the boss mode, you get 50,000 credits. All right, so, just as a recommendation, start with the starter mode, see if you like it, and then you can jump to the boss mode. All right, going back, let's jump back here. All right, we have templates. In the template section, you'll see all these really, really great templates to generate content ideas. So what are we talking about? We have paragraph generator. We have the ADA framework. That's a marketing framework. Very, very powerful sales technique. Past framework, haven't used it. I'm going to try it soon. Content improver, product description. All of our e-commerce people, product description. It just goes on and on. Google, Facebook. This is absolutely amazing. Hello, e-commerce, Amazon. But let's go back to the top. Paragraph generator. So say, I had a recent client the other day. We were just shooting some ideas around for his next blog post, right? And we were talking about, what are we going to talk about for our blog post? Solar panels. We can talk about the rising interest rates. What are we going to talk about? So say we're going to write a blog post about investing in stocks versus investing in housing, right? Which is, by the way, let me just jump to Google for a second. This is a very tough keyword to rank for. Sorry, not that keyword, but just in general. Let me digress. This category is in the your money, your life niche. Google takes the your money, your life niche very seriously because your money is on the line. All right, it's probably a liability issue. I don't know for sure, but they don't want to just rank anyone off the street that has a website. All right, so you got to really have authority in Google's eyes. All right, so let's pick a keyword, a different one than that. So real estate stocks versus, so that one. Real estate versus stocks 2021 had 90 volume. By the way, I'm using Keywords Everywhere extension tool. Very good keyword tool. Let's take this keyword but use 2022. Let's do real estate versus stocks 2022. Let's see what happens. All right, 10. All right, that's actually perfect for this client. Real estate versus stocks 2022. Where should someone put their money? Where should they put their money? All right. What is your paragraph about? This is what it's about. We want to write about real estate versus stocks in 2022. And again, we are in the paragraph generator. We're writing a paragraph about that. And it should also be the H1 and the title. But that will be in a separate video. So the keywords that we're going to include here are real estate, and we're going to include stocks. Should we include 2022? Let's see. Let's just see what happens. Tone of voice. Jasper has this really, really cool thing called tone of voice. We can output different tones of voice. They have Elon Musk's. Let's see what that comes out to be. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Generating. It's going. I mean, usually he's faster. On Twitter, he's pretty fast. As any investor knows, there are many different options when it comes to putting your money, real estate versus stock. There's no right answer. All right. Another factor is interesting. I don't know. That doesn't really sound like him. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave in the comment section below. Do you think that sounds like Elon Musk? But anyway, you can use different tones of voice. You can use witty. You can use professional. We're gonna stick with a professional tone of voice because this client that I'm talking about is a realtor. So we are going to generate some content. But say we do like this because we think it's funny and we're going to use it for a different project. We can like and add to favorites. So we're going to add to favorites and like that. All right. So we're going to generate this paragraph and it's going to generate, by the way, 3 different outputs. We're going to get 3 different variations of this keyword. All right, let's wait for a second. All right. Okay, now I see. Right, 5 times faster with boss mode. That's what's going on. When it comes to investing, there are many different options to choose from. Real estate and stocks are the 2 most popular choices, but which is better for 2020? Okay, so this is great. This is what we want, all right? Because we're busy, we don't have time, we're not, professional writers, and we don't want to hire someone. So say we want to pick this one, but maybe we have an issue with something that's in the content. Just drag it into a text editor, and when it comes to investing, I don't know, change whatever you want here. You can add your own version. You can add some variation, add your own flavor. But this is just absolutely amazing, guys. You can write your own blogs using Jasper AI, all right? So that's the paragraph. If I go back to the beginning and I go to, let's say, templates, let's go to blog conclusion, blog post, paragraph intro. So the blog post title, what do we have? We have real estate versus stocks 2022. We're sticking to professional. Say our audience. Who's our audience? Are they millennials? Are they boomers? Let's say they are professional. All right. We're not going to put them in a demographic. We're just going to say that they're professional. And we're going to keep our tone of voice also professional. We're going to generate 3 outputs here on the bottom. All right. In the last decade, there's been a lot of debate about whether buying property or stocks is a better investment. Blah, blah, blah. When it comes to investing, is the better investment. Some people swear by real estate as a solid investment that always goes up, right, real estate agents? It always goes up. All right, so we're going to keep that guy. All right, so now we're going to jump to the ADA framework. The ADA framework is a very powerful marketing tool. If you're using Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you're going to need to use the ADA framework. It uses attention, interest, desire, and action to drive clicks, all right? We're going to input Amanda Sizemore Real Estate for the company and product name. For this example, for product description, Amanda Sizemore Real Estate in St. Petersburg. For tone of voice, we're going to stick with professional, okay? We're going to generate some AI and let's see some outputs. We're going to get 3 outputs again. For attention, are you looking for a real estate agent in the St. Petersburg area? Interest, Amanda Sizemore is a top-rated real estate agent in the St. Petersburg area. Desire, Amanda has years of experience helping people buy homes. She does. Action, contact Amanda Sizemore today. I mean, this content is absolutely amazing. It's all driven by AI, machine learning, all the latest technology. This is absolutely amazing, guys. You guys need Jasper AI. I'm going to leave the affiliate link for Jasper AI in the description below. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll have more information and more videos about Jasper AI coming soon. Thanks so much for watching.